say law of exponents by doing flipping parallel crossing. Come, let's start. Product law of exponent x is equal to a into x is equal to b is equal to x is equal to a plus the quotient law of exponent x is equal to a divided x is equal to b is equal to x is equal to a minus b. Law of exponent x is equal to minus a is equal to 1 by x is equal to a. Power law of exponent x is equal to a to the power b is equal to x is equal to a 0. Now x is equal to 0 is equal to 1. Power product of law. Power of product law. X is equal to a into y is equal to a is equal to x into y raised to the power a. Power of quotient law. X is equal to a divide y raised to the power a is equal to x is equal to a by y raised to the power a is equal to x by y raised to the power a. Thank you. Love you all.